Basic salary 13,000 rands. So I think sometimes we like sort of like associate people who are intelligent, who are mathematically gifted with high salaries. Hey guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we have my salaries data focused on accounting and finance. Okay, so what's going to happen is this is going to be part 1 and then part 2 will follow. Okay, next week Wednesday you are going to get part 2 of this video. Part 2 will focus on people who are more on the senior level, people who are finance managers. So let's start with this accountant. Hi Boni, I've been working since 2021. I have matric doing second year in financial accounting, a bachelor's degree, as well as doing my second out of 3 years of articles. Okay, so almost done with my degree and then articles and then one exam, then I'm a professional accountant. Okay, what I don't get here is what is this person's undergrad? Now I'm confused. Basic salary 13,000 rands, and then they have deductions, which is 1.4, and a net pay of 11,569. So if this person is talking about articles, but what is their undergrad? Yabon. Anyway, now let's move to accounts payable. Okay. Guys, I don't know why people say I don't like people who are doing accounting. Like, what business do I have not to like people who are doing something? Because you guys are sharing the pay slips. And if you're underpaid, you're underpaid. Or, no, let's not say maybe underpaid. I just think people who do accounting, they're intelligent, you know. So I think sometimes we like sort of like associate people who are intelligent, who are mathematically gifted with high salaries. Maybe that's why we are always shocked when we see accounting salaries and there is no hate towards them. Okay, let's look at the senior accounts payable with 16 years of experience, higher diploma in certified technical financial accounting, and working towards a degree in business administration. Basic pay 39,499. Overtime pay 3.5, and then pays you earn 6,200. UIF total pay 28,533. Accounts payable with 16 years of experience. Now we'll get benefits administrator. Okay, remember guys, I hope this video can give you some ideas of what you can do with your accounting. Okay, because it does not mean that everyone should be a CA. We are going to focus on those people who are more senior on part 2. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Okay, right, I have 3 years of admin experience outside of the company. It's a medium company. I have national diploma in accountancy, no, higher certificates in accountancy and higher certificate in general management, and a national diploma in cost and management accounting. Yes. Okay, basic salary 20,000 rands, total earnings 20,000 rands, tax paid 1.6, and then medical aid 1.8, total deductions 4,981, and a net pay of 15,018 rands. Remember, this one is a national diploma in a cost and management accounting. Guys, don't forget to like and share this video, of course, if you find value. Now let's look at compliance auditor. SARS ke unenev. Ngiyawazi SARS shem. SARS is famous for this. You know what you're about to see here is what SARS is famous for. Okay, I work for SARS, a compliance auditor, tax verification. I have 5 years of experience, psycha audits, articles, and a postgrad diploma in applied accounting sciences. This person is Leonard. Do you understand? This person is Leonard. Basic salary 17,853. Additional cash allowance 2.6. Medical aid cash allowance 2.6. Housing allowance 2.6. Okay. Gross income 25,946. Total deductions 5,535. Net pay of 20,400 rands. Tax verification compliance audit. Okay, now let's move to this finance administrator. I have hope for this because I know people about finance shem about administrators, people who are in administration, they earn very well. Hi Boni, I work for a private company, 2 years being finance administrator. Started as an admin intern in 2020. Okay, so I would like to find out what compliance officers earn and what career path is more aligned with my work, the work that I've already done here. I hold an advanced diploma in financial management, RE5, and 4 years of having worked at a bank as a service consultant. Yeah, so they would like to know which career path they should take with what they already have. You know, the experience that they already have, and as a finance administrator, and the qualifications that they have. Okay, basic salary 14,959. Tax paid 1,300. Total deductions 2,000 rands, and a net pay of 12,900 rands. Guys, they want to know how much do compliance officers earn. Hi Boni, I started working in 2023, and then my contract was extended for another 12 months. She's currently doing a BCom honors in financial management, majoring in portfolio management, so that she can migrate to financial markets field. She does not think the accounting industry is for her anymore. I think it's not an easy industry to survive if you do not have CASA title. Okay, do you agree? They have a BCom degree in financial accountancy. Okay, and they are working as a financial management intern, and they are pursuing their studies. Okay, basic salary 13,000 rands. Yeah, total tax 927. Net pay of 11,942. Okay, but it's an intern. It's an intern. Guys, I was carrying my cat earlier, so I have fur all over my dress. I hope it's not showing on this video. Remember, guys, to subscribe so that you don't miss out on part 2. Part 2, we are focusing on managers. Okay, right, let's see this transitional banker. Okay, hi Boni, I'm a transitional banker in business banking segment in one of the top banks in South Africa. I joined the bank in 2010. It means they have 13 years experience now. I hold a BCom degree in financial accounting. Okay, I believe there's potential for increased compensation with further study by applying for more senior positions. While the corporate environment comes with its challenges, I've persevered through them, recognizing that persistence is key in the industry. Okay, so basic salary 39,839. Unfortunately, I couldn't find this payslip anywhere, you know, and the screenshot that I have, it's a screenshot from an email, but it was not showing who sent the email. But the basic salary, guys, is 39,839. Total deductions are 15,385, and a net pay of 24,453. I hope that is going to be clear for you. Yeah, guys, that's all I had for this part 1. And Wednesday we are having part 2 with what? Financial managers and people who are more senior. Okay, please like, share the video if you found value. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.